If I had models come put it front of me,
yeah.
I was talking in Christian Academy.
Yeah.
I get money, so that's why they mad at me.
Yeah.
When I leave them
reaction.
Yo, Jado Star, what's up YouTube? It's a boy Terrible taking the reaction. Boss of the back in if I could another video for you guys. You feel me? Now we're here with a song called Academy by PNDRN. P not the real, not the film myself from the British Virgin Islands or the US Virgin Islands, you feel me? Today I was in my car, bro, watching Netflix. I'm like, what the fuck? I could do something better. You feel me? I could give y'all some reactions which I haven't done in a minute. You feel me? So boy's going to Miami in like 1 day and 14 hours, you feel me? But you know what? I have today free. I'm just gonna give y'all like 3, 4, or 5 reaction videos today. So y'all stay tuned. Your boy is posting a lot of reactions today. You feel me? Depends on how this goes. Who knows? I may be in Miami doing reaction videos. Anyway, let's get straight to this video right now. Peanut the real nut. Big up yourself as usual. While at the Virgin Islands, big up on yourself. And today's also a concept of videos that are like not reacted to from the different countries that I have represent for, you feel me? Or islands, you feel me? Anyways, let's get straight to the video. Right, June!
Hey, whoa, I already think, hey,
Now they meet to the hotel?
what? Okay, oh, whoa, hey, hey, what? Okay, let go, what? Let go again, what? You hear? If I had models come put it front of me,
yeah.
I was talking in Christian Academy.
Yeah.
I get money, so that's why they mad at me.
Yeah.
When I leave you, my girl, they be mad at me.
Boss! That's if I had, but that's come put in front of me. Right now, my hat, me a burn up, me a sweat, DJ, I sweat. Right now, I know the last time I'm face of that, but guess what? Lazy, so I'm looking kind of rough right now. Just wait until tomorrow. Just wait until tomorrow. Go on!
Man, I feel like I just hit the lottery.
What?
I sleep in my bed on my Glock on me.
What?
Had to cut them.
Walla. That's him sleeping in bed with the Glock on him. Go on!
And he go, I say go to this fuck man who stopping me.
Yeah.
Watch she that hit it move like a rat now.
What?
We are safe, but he turn to a app now. Bring a girl like bet she get knocked down. Out the drink cause they need me a snack now. Crypto coin I investing in stocks now. Buy the bench drive it off of the lot now. I was cold but a boy getting hot now. I get punks but he smoking a pop now. Bring a girl like bet she get knocked down. Out the drink cause they need me a snack now. Crypto coin I investing in stocks now. Buy the bench drive it off of the lot now. I was cold but a boy getting hot now. I get punks but he smoking a pop now. I know that you sad cause they fuck your girl and you know that she sucking my bars now. Damn. After he done what I best make a pour and I close till I hop on the car now. We had a splash with our apple wet up, he black then we slay baby doggos. If it smoke, let me know.
But I could showcase the whole of the hotel see them. Use every possible place in the hotel I can use them. All team that see me so far at the pool. But as me I say, yo, what you think about the video so far? Leave a like, leave a comment, drop your thoughts on the music video and the song yourself. Go on!
3586 all the choppers going hollow. What? If I had models come put it front of me. What? I was talking in Christian Academy. I get money.
If I had but that's come put in front of me. That's say my talking the Christian Academy. Well, I forget the course here. I get the course.
Smoke, let me know 22356 all the choppers going hollow. If I had models come put it front of me, I was talking in Christian Academy.
Right.
I get money, so that's why they mad at me.
God say if he might put it further than him, in the Christian Academy, him get money, so that's why they mad at him. But you feel like can't study with the bro God. Should I get money no mad at him? What's wrong with your bad mind? Go on!
If you my girl, be mad at me. Man, I feel like I just hit the lottery. I sleep in my bed on my Glock on me. Had to cut them do packet watch it. I say go to this fuck man who stopping me. Can't make cause they load up the big stick. I told Matty mean cave for no stick shit. Take a pass by the club for a tick bitch. My dick make a wipe off a lipstick. They scheme start living like cat. Load up the big stick. I told Matty mean cave for no stick shit. Take a pass by the club for a tick bitch. Suck a
I automatic mean care for no stick shift. That's a lot more here. Hold on.
Had to cut them do packet watch it. Let me go. I say go to this fuck man who stopping me. Can't make cause they load up the big stick. I told Matty mean cave for no stick shit. Take a pass by the club for a tick bitch. Suck a make dick make a wipe off a lipstick.
Wipe off, girl.
Me knock out quick again. And my dogs gon' eat like a pick. Let's go. You want smoke with a nut, we gon' fix it. Flip a pound, hope it land like a gymnast. And you don't want smoke with young nutty. Stop talking and fuck cause you know that you soft. Let's go. Soon as they step on the coat and they drive in the whole day, they pass me the ball again. We go stay in a boat, we go fly in a plane, we go ride in a car. I had a beam and they Glock, I to clap it and fuck name knock off his dog. If I had models come put it front of me, I was talking in Christian and cut of me. I get money, so that's why they mad at me. When I leave them, my girl, it be mad at me. Man, I feel like I just hit the lottery. I sleep in my bed on my Glock on me. I to cut them do pocket watch it. I say go to this fuck man who stopping me.
Okay then, okay. It's a nice way to start back. It's a nice way to come back. So that's when they come back with the reactions, you feel me? The video basically done. I could watch the rest of the video so I go on in. Alright. It's a nice way to start back, you feel me? More for the enjoy the video as usual. Let's see the reaction boss there representing for y'all today with a few videos. I hope y'all like this first one. You feel me? Let's get straight to another one. We don't play with people. Bow!